With its fluid management systems, deltaVision is helping customers to innovate in space, in particular in the hydrogen mobility sector. Hydrogen airplanes can operate with higher safety measures and lower maintenance costs. But that's not all. Let's go find out more. So what is the goal and vision of deltaVision?
So deltaVision, it's a Munich startup that develops fluid control systems. So fluid control systems, it can be evolved. It's what we started developing. Just as the one I'm holding here, but we want to expand the portfolio with pumps and e-motors as well. We started for the space industry, so the historical industry for these applications, but our goal is to expand to the hydrogen mobility sector, considering that it's exploding in this time.
That's a great aspirational goal. And can you tell me, how has 3DEXPERIENCE platform helped you in developing this product?
This small product that you see here, it's a multi-physics product, highly multi-physics. You have magnetic fields, you have a flow going here in and out, and it needs to resist a super high pressure, several hundred bars. So we are using 3DEXPERIENCE for designing and simulating this complete system. We can do the design with CATIA, the 3D model. We can simulate if our magnets are powerful enough. We can make sure that the flow that we get outside, it's what our customer wants. And we can make sure that the parts will not break in their usage, and that even before we send the valves to space.
Fantastic example of using the platform. Thank you so much.